In this video, I'll show you how to send hyperlinks inside Gmail. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and then go over to your Gmail, make sure to sign in and then click on Compose. Now send it to anyone. So for this demonstration, I'm going to send it to myself. I'm going to give it a subject. And now I'm going to write some random text here. Alright, I've written some text in here, and as you can see, I've got my YouTube channel here, but as you can see, it isn't hyperlinked. If I click onto it, it doesn't send you to YouTube. So to create a hyperlink, what you need to do is highlight the text here, and then click on the insert link down below. And there you go, that has automatically linked my YouTube channel inside there. So if I click onto it, control and click, go to link, like so, they'll open up that link. So there you go, that's how to insert a hyperlink inside Gmail.